If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to connect your USB-C device to an HDMI display, the Amazon Basics USB-C 3.1 male to HDMI female adapter is an excellent choice. This compact and lightweight adapter is designed to provide seamless 4K video and audio transmission, making it perfect for presentations, gaming, or simply extending your workspace. The adapter supports resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring crisp and clear visuals without any lag or distortion. Its plug-and-play functionality means there's no need for additional drivers or software, making it incredibly user-friendly. The durable construction and sturdy connectors ensure it can withstand daily use, while its compact design makes it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. Whether you're a professional needing to connect to a projector or a casual user wanting to mirror your laptop screen to a TV, this adapter delivers exceptional performance at a budget-friendly price. It's compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones, making it a versatile tool for anyone with modern tech. The only minor drawback is that it doesn't support USB-C power delivery, so you'll need a separate cable for charging while using the adapter. Overall, the Amazon Basics USB-C to HDMI adapter is a top-notch solution for anyone needing a reliable and high-quality connection between USB-C and HDMI devices. Its combination of performance, durability, and affordability makes it one of the best options available in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.